Before getting started, let's see what we know about apple cider vinegar. What is its benefits, what are its side effects, and how to use it? Apple cider is a very popular remedy. Apple cider vinegar has so many properties, including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. Aiding weight loss, reducing cholesterol, lowering blood sugar levels, and improving the symptoms of diabetes. Apple cider vinegar can be used to kill pathogens such as bacteria and some other microorganism that can cause disease. Vinegar can be used to clean the wounds as well as a food preservative. It can also help you with acne. This vinegar can also help in treating type 2 diabetes, as it helps in improving insulin sensitivity and helping lower blood sugar responses after meals. But you must take this very carefully, and run a sugar level tests before performing it. To do this, take 20 megaliters or 4 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and mix with a few ounces of water and consumed it right before a high-carb meal. Also, it doesn't lower blood sugar if taken with low-carb meal or high-fiber meal. Consuming this can reduce blood sugar spikes. In the same way, it can be used for PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. This syndrome, PCOS, is a hormonal condition where a female experiences with abnormal menstrual cycles, high levels of androgen hormones, ovarian cysts and insulin resistance. In this condition, vinegar can improve hormone levels and can help you experience more regular periods. Regularly drinking 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters of apple cider vinegar with 100 milliliters or about 7 ounces of water after dinner may improve symptoms of PCOS. This vinegar can also help in weight loss. Drinking 1 to 2 tablespoons 15 to 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar each day for several months may increase weight loss in people who are overweight. Also, some claim to drink 1 to 2 tablespoons 15 to 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar before meals can aid digestion. However, there is currently no research to support this practice. But there is no research on this, so we don't know if it's true or not. As this vinegar is known for its acid, and this has acetic acid, which is relatively safe to consume but still can cause side effects in some people. Though consuming high dosage of everything so is here, as because of vinegar's acidity it may also damage tooth enamel with regular use. Drinking through a straw and rinsing your mouth with water afterwards can help prevent you from this. However, if you experience uncomfortable side effects after taking apple cider vinegar, such as nausea, burping, then you should stop taking it and visit a doctor. Now let's move and discuss few more benefits. This vinegar contains probiotics which help regulate healthy digestion. It may also suppress areas of the brain that control appetite. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial and astringent properties, and it may also help prevent cancer. It can boost shine in hairs, and its pH prevents frizziness and flattens hair's cuticles. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to know more updates on health and lifestyle.